Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet crop top like this. It's super easy. Okay, let's start. Start with 12 double crochet in magic ring. Okay, join with slip stitch with the first double crochet. Okay, cut off the yarn. Then we are going to add in yellow, change color from here. Okay, we are going to make cluster stitch between every stitches. Okay, 3 chain. This is called cluster stitch. 3 together, 3 double crochet together. Okay, like this, 1 chain. Then again all the tail bring in together, 1 2 3 3 double crochet together is a cluster stitch. Okay, again 1 2 3 together, 1 chain. This one we are going to make 12. Just now we make 12 double crochet, so now we are going to make this one 12. Okay, okay, okay. Complete 12 time. This one you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And now we cut off the yarn. So we are going to add in another color. So we have this gap here between all the stitches, isn't it? So we are going to insert here. I'm going to make 3 double crochet here, 3 chain and 2 double crochet. We are going to make 4 corners for the square pattern. Okay, no chains. Then we are going to make another one, another 2 times. Okay, this one, the first one, we are going to make the first corner. So now I'm bringing the tail all inside, hide inside. Okay, see, I've done 3 times. And I'm going to create the corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Then 3 double crochet, again 2 times, again, then I'm going to create another corner. 2 chain, 3 double crochet. Then again 3 double crochet, 2 times, then we're going to create another corner. 3, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Then again 3 double crochet 2 times. Then we are going to make the first corner here. Just now we did 3 double crochet once. Now we are doing it in the same place. 2 chain. I'm going to join, and I'm going to join it over here. This one from here in front loop, the other side in the back loop. Front loop and back loop. If you want to stitch with the needle also can. If you want to join it other way around also can. There are many ways of joining it. Okay, completed. I'm going to cut off the yarn. Then I'm going to join it over here. So make it a circle. See, like this. I got 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the back also 5. So I'm going to join it the same way. After joining, we are going to do it. We will start from any of these. Then I'm going to make 1/2 double crochet around this for around 20 rows. Okay, see, I make a round here, a circle like that. So now I'm going to start from here. Start from here with this color, same color. Hide all the T's inside. So we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Start with 2 chain. Then we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Around this, we are going to make it as a circle like that. Okay, so I'm going to make 20 rows of this. Once I complete 20 rows, I'll show how it came up. Okay, this is super easy. Okay, Once I complete, I wanted around 14 inches height. So once I complete to 14 inches, I'll show you how it came up. Okay. Okay, completed the first row. Slip stitch, then make 2 chain again. But look at this first. Okay, see, so neatly. This one, all the tails are gone here. Go hide inside. So the bottom part also, later on you can make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now we are going to continue making 1/2 double crochet all the way, or around 20 rows like that. So once I complete this, I'll show you. Okay, so I do 1/2 double crochet. If you want to do 1 double crochet also can. So make sure you do in each stitch with 1/2 double crochet. Okay, so you can do it until your preferred height. Once complete, we'll do the shoulder strap. Okay, so all these things, the tails here, cut it off. Okay, I completed 3 6 13 16 19 20 24 rows here. Okay, I think this should be enough for the crop top. So I'm going to make the strap here, over here, 2 sides. So I'm going to show you how we are going to measure for the strap. Okay, now we are going to fold into 2 like this. Okay, I already fold like this. Then I'm going to measure from this part 3 inches, for the neck size 3 inches. So I'm going to do marking in the 3 inches here. So we are going to do the marking in all the places here in 4 part. So you will have the 3 inches in both side, back and front. Okay, 3 inches. Make sure this inside part will have 6 inches over here. Okay, 6 inches. So this part I'm going to make around 4 4/4 size, 4.5 or like that. If 4 inches also should be okay this side. So I'm going to make the strap here. From here I'm going to start. I'm going to make half double crochet. Okay, 2 chain. Then I'm going to make half double crochet. Okay, I did around 3 inches here. If you want smaller also can, like 2 inches. I want 3 inches. Okay, later on if I want to do the strap for 3 inches, yeah, it's too big for 3 inches. Later on maybe if I wanted to do sleeve, I can do it from here. If too small, I need to do again, isn't it? So this one 3 inches I'm doing the strap. But if you don't want 3 inches, you can do 2 inches also. 2 inches, reduce it. Okay, then we are going to turn the other side and do it here. Okay, we are going to turn and turn like that. I'm going to do for 9 inches of the strap and join it behind. 9 inches of the strap and join it behind. Okay, 9 inches should be enough already. So one side 4.5 inch, I'm going to do 9 inches. Okay, okay. Once you complete both sides with 9 inches strap, and I'll show you that how I did the crop top. Crop top is easiest pattern, and with these flowers in the bottom, it will be very nice. Okay, once I finish all the step, I'll show you. Okay, completed the bottom, done edging here, one single crochet in the edge here. Okay, this one I join it in the back. So this one 28 rows here. I did this 28 rows, this one. Okay, so see, so easy and so simple. I hope that you all can do also. If you all like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.